Hi friends, I just wanted to say a quick hello. It's kind of a bright, overcast day here in Idaho and I'm getting crafty. So I'm going to show you this new Close to My Heart kit that's available only for a few more weeks, and it's called Smitten. It's a Valentine set and I'm working on a project and I'm going to share it with you later, but I want to show you a walkthrough of the kit and see what you think. So if you go to my Close to My Heart website, you will see that there's multiple kits that you can get for the Smitten collection. This one right here is just the paper and the stickers. And this one right here, I believe, is the entire collection that has stamps, envelopes, all kinds of stuff to create with. So I'm going to show you really quick what's in each of these two. This is the paper and the stickers. There's also coordinating cardstock, but this is just paper and stickers. So if you're familiar with Close to My Heart at all, they have a sheet of these really nice cardstock, heavy-duty stickers. Aren't those fun to make different cards or projects with, scrapbook pages? Papers that come with them are two of each of these designs. So we've got the arrows along with the fun little XOXO zip strip. See that? This one is hearts with a little arrow zip strip. Get a little bit closer. The colors are fantastic. And then there's a stripe. And on the top of the stripe, there's a little orange zip strip. So the stripe, the other side is conversation hearts. Isn't that just the best? The colors that are included in this kit are ballerina, capri, charcoal, flamingo, lemonade, nectarine, raspberry, toffee, and white daisy. If you're familiar with Close to My Heart, you can get ink pads, cardstock, and coordinating kits where all the colors coordinate. So that front back of that sheet, stripes, hearts, the arrows, the other side of the arrows is all kinds of little love doodling. I'll get a little bit closer so you can see what that looks like. So that's the other side of the arrows. And the second side of the hearts is this blue plaid. So those are the sheets in this paper and sticker collection. I believe you can get the paper without the stickers also. Like I said, there's multiple ways that you can order this product. This, I believe, is the full collection. In it includes this fun stamp set that you can use to make cute little Valentine cards or add to your pages or journals or planner or whatever. And this is a stamp and the thin cuts. Anything that's in this blue tone has a thin cut that coordinates with it. So here's the stamps, and then this would be the coordinating thin cuts that match the stamp. Also in here is all kinds of fun stuff. There's envelopes and cardstock to make slimline cards. Quite a few of them. There's black and white dots. These nice little gems. See those dots? A whole sheet of black and a whole sheet of white. And then there are these little photo place mats, so that when you're making scrapbook pages, you'll know what size photo goes where. I use these a lot, and then I remove them. I temporarily add them, and then I remove them as I add the photos to my pages. And then there's included these exact same pattern pages that I showed you in the other set. The coordinating cardstock that is in here. Look at these beautiful colors. Of course, there's the white, ballerina, raspberry. Look at that beautiful yellow. Gorgeous. Those are the coordinating cardstocks that go with the kit. And it also includes the page protectors for your scrapbook pages. And when you order this, there is a download link that has instructions for cards and for scrapbook pages that you can get for this. So I'm going to use this kit, not this main kit here, but I'm going to use the sticker kit, the other one, and make a fun little Valentine's project, which I will share with you later. So if you're interested, now is the time to get this fun little set of stamps, paper, and fun Valentine stickers. Again, you can use it for cards, scrapbooking, journaling, any kind of paper project that you love to do. It's a great addition for that. See you later.